If your work involves people, you are using much more than your brain. Executives who sell, lead teams, resolve conflict, motivate people, and carry difficult conversations are using more than strategy. They're using emotional energy. From an energetic perspective, the heart and solar plexus chakras can take on a tremendous amount of pressure. The heart is involved in connection, care, and harmonizing relationships. The solar plexus is deeply connected to the desire to win, stress, reaction, and interpersonal conflicts. If these centers become depleted or congested, a leader may feel emotionally heavy, reactive, irritated, drained by people, or unable to stay centered in the conversations. This is why leadership can feel exhausting even when you're not physically doing much. What you are doing is processing people's emotions all day long. So if you do not clear that residue, it follows you home, it follows you into your personal relationships, it follows you into your vacations, it follows you into your hobbies. Let's clear this emotional and mental residue this week at the Executive Energy Reset. Join us on Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Details below.